So today got a new tool in the post. Super excited about this one. I purchased the Abbey Tools HAG, which is quite exciting, but I thought, to be honest, for a premium tool, it would be packaged better than this. This is why I did an unboxing video. And turns out, yep, it's in a plastic bag. Nice. Anyway, I've used this tool before. It's amazing quality. It's really, really good. And I'm quite excited because I've just installed a Q's group set on my touring bike. So I know the hanger isn't straight because I've not been able to access a couple of the gears on the cassette. So I'm going to pop it up on the stand and give this beauty a little spin. All the parts of the tool neatly tuck away. So you unscrew this bit here, and inside there is your, what do you call this bit? Guess the glorified poking, probing device. So you can work out whether your hanger is straight or not. And yeah, it's not cheap, but having used this tool before, I definitely think it's worth the price tag, which was pretty steep.